Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove an existing device from Palmpay. Let's get started. First of all, open the Palmpay app on your smartphone and ensure you are logged in to your account. Then navigate to the settings or account section. This is where you can manage your devices. Look for the devices or device management option. Here you will see a list of all devices linked to your account. After that, select the device you wish to remove. Tap on it to view more options. Tap on Remove Device to unlink it from your account. Confirm your choice when prompted. Now enter your PIN number. Once confirmed, the device will be successfully removed from your Palmpay account. And that's it. You have successfully removed a device from your Palmpay account. Thanks for watching.